Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I bought some makeup from Pinkflash and I'll be reviewing it today to see if it's actually worth it or not. So stay tuned to find out more and hit that like and subscribe button for more videos. So here's pretty much all the stuff that I bought from the website, even though it was so affordable, but it was on sale and I ended up stacking the entire thing in my cart. So we're going to start off this video with the face palette, which is literally the main character of the entire video. It's in the shade Orange Mandarin and it's super cute. I'm gonna unpack this palette, so enjoy the crisp ASMR moment. So my initial thoughts upon opening this palette was how adorable it actually was in person, and the colors looked really pretty. The palette is super nice and I think it is perfect for traveling, and as you can see, the color story is very natural. It is giving a soft glam to natural type of vibe. When I was swatching these on the back of my hand, I realized that the glitter eyeshadows had a golden undertone to them, so they would complement each other. The face palette side, however, was quite underwhelming except for the contour and the highlighter. But the overall scheme honestly looks so good together. And this is the eye makeup look that I created using this palette. Honestly, it is mesmerizing. So I'm going to start off by using this medium brown shade all over my crease. Then I decided to use this beautiful bright orange shade on top of that warm brown shade to add a little more flare. Then I decided to use this beautiful deep brown shade at the corner of my eyes to make it a little more dramatic. And I just kept going back and forth with the eyeshadow until I was happy with how it was placed. Then I swatched all of the glitter shades and decided to use them from the darkest to the lightest on my eyes. The glitters complemented each other so well. I applied the deep coppery shade at the corner of my lid and then worked my way into the lightest shade at the inner corner of my eyes, and this look turned out super mesmerizing. I was impressed with how the eyeshadow was looking so effortless and so pretty. Next, I'm going to use the eyeliner. So this is what the eyeliner looks like. It is very sleek and minimal. Honestly, I like the packaging and it's very lightweight. However, the formula is heavy duty. Like, you need an oil-based cleanser to get this off because it is not going anywhere. So unlike with a brush, the eyeliner applies pretty thickly, I would say, but you have to be very precise if you want that thin line. But other than that, the eyeliner is just bomb. Like, it will last you. It is waterproof. It is amazing. Here's me trying to apply the eyeliner, but I couldn't do it on camera. So here's a jump cut, and I somehow managed to mess this up even with a tape. So I cleaned it with some concealer and we were good to go. Now I am going to just curl my lashes using this eyelash curler that I got from Focalure. Honestly, this eyelash curler is so nice. It has such a premium quality. It has this thick rubber band that prevents you from pinching your eyelids when you're curling them, so that's a plus point for me. Then we proceeded to another star of the show. So just like the eyeliner, the mascara also has a minimal but sleek packaging, and the formula is just chef kisses. For the price tag, the formula is just amazing. It makes your lashes look so long, looks so natural, and it holds the curl throughout the day. So if anything, you need to buy the mascara and the eyeliner from this makeup line. Another plus point is this mascara does not smudge, like it does not smudge at all, which I love. Then I'm gonna use this highlighter shade at my brow bone and just tie the entire look together. Honestly, this highlighter is so nice. It is powdery on the skin, but after a while it just marinates into the makeup and makes your skin look so glowy, so fresh, and so radiant. So the highlighter is top tier. So I'm going to finish off this eye makeup look using whatever's left on the brush, and then I'm going to add this black eye pencil in the lower lash line, and then I'm going to finish it off with a coat of mascara, and this is the final makeup look. So I'm honestly impressed with how amazing the eyeshadows are, and for the price tag, I think you must definitely get this palette. I think it is perfect for traveling, and so far it has been pretty nice. But something you should be made aware of is the packaging is not very great, but nonetheless it doesn't take away from the formula or the eyeshadow and how to apply. So I'm fine with it. Next is this gorgeous blusher that I got from the same site. It is such a beautiful color and the packaging is so cute and so small. The formula is honestly amazing and I am intrigued by how beautiful it looks on my skin. It is a matte pink blusher and it has the perfect Barbie undertone to it. I am honestly obsessed with this blush and I use it every single day. Honestly, the formula lasts all day long and it looks so beautiful on my skin, and I'm in love with this color. It is like the perfect pink color. So now it's time for the most iconic eyeshadow stick that I bought with no hopes. I just thought that this product was very intriguing, so I decided to give it a try. And this has been my go-to eyeshadow stick ever since. Like, the packaging is so cute and it's in the shade Intoxicating. You push the button down and the shadow glides up, and it has this beautiful brown and gold shades and shimmers in it that honestly makes your eye look glamorous and intriguing. So I suggest you get one. It is so pigmented and it looks so gorgeous and it blends so easily. Like, this product is like chef kisses. It is perfection. So now I'm going to use that previous eyeshadow stick and recreate a makeup tutorial. I am going to just roll it out and then apply it all over my lid with a high intensity pressure so it breaks off. But nonetheless, this stick is very easy to use. I just swipe it all over my lid, blend it out with a brush, and that's it. Whatever's left, I just use it on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to use the same stick on my brow bone as a highlighter and I'm going to blend it out, and it honestly looks so pretty. Then I'm just going to do the usual eyelash curler, mascara, and then a black eye pencil on my water lash line. And this time I did something different. I used the blush from the face palette as an under eye pink setting powder, and it looks so pretty, honestly. Then I decided to apply an eyeliner, and honestly with an eyeliner this looks even better. I did not care to go back and add more product to the eyeliner. As you can see, it's very sheer, but this is what it looked like and I was super happy with it. So now finally we're coming to the good part, the lip gloss. Honestly, this product is one of my most used products ever. This lip gloss is fantastic. It is hydrating, the color is amazing. You know, when your liquid lipsticks dry out your lips, you just use a product like this that's hydrating on top of it, so it hides all the crusty dead skin and makes your lips pop out even more. So this is what the lip gloss does, and then this lipstick is from a brand called Erinda, and honestly it is one of the most beautiful nude brown shades ever. Like, look at that color, it is so pretty. This is what the shade's called, and this is how it looks like. It's very light for my skin, so I have to use it with a lip liner, but nonetheless this color is absolutely bomb. Both of these products paired together are awesome. Finally comes the skincare part of this entire haul. So this is a face mask that I misplaced and never got to use, but I heard good things about it. And the other thing was a pimple patch, which was literally a lifesaver. That pimple patch, those patches were so thin and they helped my skin heal so much. And here's the product, and I didn't get to film it, but nonetheless it was amazing. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe, and if you decide to shop any of the products, use my code FLASH13 and click the video on the screen, and I'll see you in that one. Take care.